Hello guys. This is me again. This time I'm going to do a video on you Haitian when. So, I was sitting here not doing nothing, thinking about home. And it's like, okay, this is ridiculous. There's a lot of things that we do that um America think that we're stupid or we don't know what we're doing. So I'm gonna tell you 10 things about Haitian or old Haitian people, especially my grandmother, my mom, my aunties. So I'm gonna I'm gonna go ahead and read from my cheat sheet cards I made. I was sitting laughing to myself about 10 things that makes a Haitian a Haitian. So I'm gonna read the first one. The first one is you Haitian when your grandmother's bed sitting on a 16 bricks, I mean 4 bricks a leg. Well, yes, that is true. My grandmother had a bed. Yes, she has 4 bricks on each leg. Yes, and for me to get on that bed when I'm scared, especially at night when it's raining and thunderstorm, I have to really find me a chair to get on that, and still I have to be on my tippy toes to get on that bed. That's how high the bed is. And another thing that she does, she put clothes underneath that mattress to make it, I think, comfortable. Well, that's my grandmother. I don't know. So I'm gonna go with number two. You Haitian when your mom couches or love seats are covered with plastic. That happens a lot, and I see that on TV, movies. I never see that. My parents never do something like that. They never cover the couches or their love seats with plastic. It's what it is. It's whatever happened. I mean, that's my family. I didn't know about this. I saw it on TV, and now when I go to other people's houses and I see that. Well, I'm gonna tell you the first time I saw this. It happened when I went to Florida in Miami, and I saw it for the first time at that woman's house. She covered all her furnitures with plastic. Even her dining room chairs was covered with plastic, and I was like, whoa, 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 what is this? And I asked my friend. She was like, well, that's my auntie. She does that. I don't know why she does it. I can't explain it, but she does it. So, number three, you Haitian when your uncle's pant is on top of his belly buttons. Yes, my uncle did it. Um, wow, it happened so long. It was a long time ago. I saw my uncle in his pants. The belt button was on top of his belly button, way on top of it. So his pants was really high. Compared to those kids now sagging. So it's gonna be weird and funny if they see my uncle walking by them with his pants on top of his belly button. I know. So I'm gonna go with number four. Number four, it's really obvious. A lot of Haitian does it and they love it. I don't know why. If you don't drive this type of car, you're not really having it. I don't know. I don't know. I can explain it. Number four, you Haitian when you're driving a Nissan Patrol, Isuzu Trooper, Tête Bœuf, Toyota, you know, Toyota Tête Bœuf, whatever they call them car in Haiti. If you're not driving those cars, that means you don't really have money. So those Haitians, they have those car, those mini truck, mini SUVs or SUVs. Those are the type of the car that drove, still driving, still driving. So I don't know. So number five, you know you Haitian when your parents take you to school with white scented powder under your neck and faces. Yes, it happened because when I was in Haiti, my grandmother did that to me. My grandmother, after she gave me a shower or a bath, take me to school, she put lotion on me. She put powder on my neck, my back, under my arm, my stomach, everywhere, my face, because my face was so greasy. She did that, and that's true. And it happened to me. I was a victim. Anyway, so let's keep going. You know you Haitian after your parents did your hair and you done, grease still dripping down your neck, forehead, and back. Yes, that happened to me. My grandmother did my hair, and after she finished, she had to wash my face, and because there was so much grease, she put so much grease in my hair. It was too much. I was so shiny when she took me to school. Yes, that that happened to me. That's true. Um, Number seven, you know you Haitian when your auntie and grandmother have porcelain dolls, bird everywhere. Yes, my grandmother has a lot of those birds, those porcelain everywhere, aunties everywhere. When we are like cleaning up, it takes us forever because we have to clean up each of them, and we have like a millions of them everywhere we go. Yes. Number eight, you know you Haitian when at the end of your sentence you say, "Uh oh." Yes, I do that a lot. My husband was like, you know, my husband loved to make fun of me when I do that. Uh oh, you know, like especially if we were talking about something. For example, I said, "Uh oh, dale de lado, tibagasa." Oh 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 oh. You know, I do that. That's a bad habit, but that's something that I do, and all my family does it too. It's kind of catching up. Number nine, you know you Haitian when you laugh so hard, the last slide goes, hey hey, you know, stuff like that. So that's Haitian. The last but not least, number 10, you know you Haitian when your grandmother wear a muumuu with a mouchoir to go to the store. Yes, 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 yes. My grandmother loved to wear those scarf on their hair, on her hair. She wears those long gown with flowers, and it has a lot of button in the front. Yes, my grandmother had those and those scarf, the shiny looking scarf. Yes, my grandmother had them. So this is all for you know you're Haitian when. Just hit me up and let me know what just subscribe or give me your point of view of you know when you're Haitian when. Just comment and let me know. Love you guys.